to fix currently unavailable issue on Amazon. This is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the currently unavailable issue on Amazon. Now first step is understanding the issue. The currently unavailable message usually appears because the product is out of stocks, or the seller has removed the listing, or there is a temporary glitch on Amazon, or your account or region also doesn't allow the purchase. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to simply turn off the Wi-Fi a few seconds and simply turn it back on. And after that, see if it is still available or if you are being able to see the product or not. And if you are still not being able to see the product, then open Play Store or App Store on a device, and from there you just need to search for the app called Amazon. So after searching for the app called Amazon, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available, because if there is any update available, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to see the product. Third thing which you can do is that you just need to check if the product is available or not. So look at the other sellers on the same as Amazon page and see if they are available on other products or not. So if they are still not available, then the product may not be available on the Amazon site all along. Most important thing which you need to do is that you just need to check your account, make sure that your account is active and it is not locked, and also ensure that your payment method is valid. So if your account is locked, then you may also not be able to see the items that you are looking, or you may not be able to fix the issue of currently unavailable on them. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of currently unavailable issue on Amazon. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.